Here's problem 10 from the 2014 AMC 8. The first AMC 8 was given in 1985. And it has been given annually since that time. Samantha turned 12 years old the year she took the 7th AMC 8. In what year was Samantha born? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's find the year of the 7th AMC 8. The first one was in 1985. Each following contest is 1 year later. So the 7th contest is 6 years after the first. That means 1985 plus 6 equals 1991. So the 7th AMC 8 was held in 1991. Samantha turned 12 years old in 1991. To find her birth year, we subtract 12 from 1991. That gives 1991 minus 12, which equals 1979. So Samantha was born in 1979, which is choice A.